A very good morning, students. Hope you all are very fine. And now I am going to continue our last paragraph. Okay, here we have finished in last video, and now I am starting from here. Chapter 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Now see, the ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater. Amphitheater is the building which don't have a roof. It has rows for sitting, but it don't have a roof. Formed by the Union buildings in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy. Where the ceremony was held? At Pretoria in amphitheater, and it was the supremacy of white government. For example, I will give you Gujarat government's example. In Gujarat, supremacy is of BJP. It means for last so many years no Congress or other national parties government is there. So now you are getting the meaning of white supremacy. Okay, and now it was the site of rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Are you getting here? And now this the rainbow gathering, it means so many from so many nations, so many types of people were coming to join that ceremony, and there was no discrimination of whitish, blackish or etc. etc. It means South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. It was South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zenani. On that podium, Mr. De Klerk was the first sworn as the second deputy president. He was the second deputy president. Then what happened? See. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as the first deputy president. Mr. Thabo sworn the first deputy president. When it was my turn, now he was the president, so it was his turn. I pledged to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic. What I pledge? I pledge to obey and uphold the constitution. I will follow the constitution, I will obey the constitution, and to devote myself to the well-being of republic. You all know India is also republic country, and now Nelson Mandela was devoting his whole life himself to that republic of African countries and its people. To the assembled guest and watching world, I said, for the world, what I said? Today, all of us do, by our presence here, confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. How is this liberty? How is this freedom? Liberty means freedom. But how is this? It's a newborn liberty. It's a newborn freedom. Yes, freedom was there, but not for blackish. It was only for whitish people. And this is the controversy here. This is the newborn freedom. And to confer here means to give. Out of the experience of extraordinary human disaster. This was a human disaster. This discrimination. This is a human disaster, because human being is going to discriminate. No one, nature never discriminate. For nature, for God, everyone is same who loves them. Are you getting my point? So discrimination between religions, discrimination between financial conditions, any type of discrimination between sex, male, female, any type of discrimination is a human disaster. It's a man-made. It's not by nature or not by God. That lasted too long. Must be born a society on which all humanity will be proud. I will make this republic at a level all humanity will be proud. Humanity, manavta. We who were outlaws not so long ago have today been the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. We thank all of our distinguished international guests. Distinguished here means different types of international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for justice. Our victory is common. He is saying to the guest, you all are welcome on our soil. It means in our country. Okay, he is addressing the community and he is saying there are different types of international guests are having here to come take possession and give me wishes, and this is our common victory for justice, for peace and for human dignity. Human dignity, in short, it means humanity. Okay, we have at last achieved our political emancipation. See, emancipation, it means freedom from restriction, liberty from restrictions. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discriminations. Never, never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience oppression of one by another. The sun shall set on the glorious human achievement. Let freedom ring. God bless Africa. Are you getting here? Never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. Everyone should respect one by another, and the sun shall never set on the glorious or human achievement. यहाँ का जो सन है वो कभी भी ग्लोरियस अचीवमेंट में बुझना नहीं चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट सेट, ग्लोरियस अचीवमेंट में बुझना नहीं चाहिए. इन शॉर्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू, लेट फ्रीडम रिगेन and God bless to Africa. Okay, now see, this is oral comprehension check and I am going to continue from here. A few moments later we all lifted our eyes in. We as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters and troop carriers roar in perfect formation over the Union buildings. It was not only the display of pinpoint precision and military force, but demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been really and fairly elected, that had been freely and fairly elected, that had been freely and fairly elected. Now see, a few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in as we spectacular. We were seeing spectacular, it means who see the things with open eyes. Of South Africa jets, there were jets, helicopters, troop carriers. As you also remembered, our Prime Minister Modi ji told us in the lockdown, we have to light candles, we have to light diyas. Do you think by lighting diyas, coronavirus or this COVID-19 will gone away? No, it was not like that. It is because hopes in your mind, they will be encouraged, because everyone was panic at that time, financially, mentally, or some other reasons. Everyone was panic. What will happen next? What will be the next moment? Are you getting? And in this next moment, light a diya, and that diya physically you have lighted and mentally also in your mind. That intention was there. Okay, and the whole country lighted so many diyas at that time. And like this, in Africa on that day, jets, helicopters, troop carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union buildings. And it was not only the display of pinpoint precision and military force, the demonstration of military's loyalty to democracy. It was military's loyalty to democracy, to the new government that had been freely and fairly elected. This government was freely and fairly elected. Only moments before, the highest generals of the South African Defence Force and Police, their chests bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. I was not unmindful of the fact that a lot so many years before they would have stunted but arrested me. Okay, now see, I am going to start here. I will take these 3 lines because I am not able to capture this word. So we are going to stop here and I will continue these last 3 lines in your next video. Okay, so take care of you.